New alarm bells ringing tonight on the coronavirus outbreak in this country.
When the pandemic hit, a lot of our clients were already living under very precarious economic circumstances.
The coronavirus has sickened our economy. Work and businesses shut down and unemployment climbing.
It was a crisis on top of many crises that they have been facing for decades now. We have never seen this immediate loss of folks from one day to the next losing their jobs en masse and knowing immediately that they were going to not be able to pay rent come April 1st.
9.5 million Americans, 17% of U.S. renters who are behind on their rent.
When there is a crisis like this, it's communities that are most vulnerable that are most affected. And so they're at higher risk of getting sick. They have higher mortality rates.
It's a living nightmare.
Imperial Beach resident Patricia Mendoza is a single mother of two.
I'm gonna live in my van with my 2 children, and that's not fair. It's not fair for me, and it's not fair for anybody's family.
We came together with organizations across the county of LA to form a new coalition called the Healthy LA Coalition to immediately call on our local elected officials and the state officials to do everything in their power to protect tenants, workers, and those who are living on this street.
We would meet with local community groups and provide information about renters' rights, the eviction protections, and how people can protect themselves during COVID. And it was really heartbreaking to hear from tenants how scared they were.
Manuel Caballero, his wife and 4 children, including his infant daughter Rihanna, are preparing to move out of their home, the apartment they've lived in for the past 10 plus years.
Our team, our staff attorneys, our paralegals, our social workers, we're all working together to really try to keep people in their homes. So advocating for eviction protections, making sure that people get assistance before they're forced to leave their homes.
For those living paycheck to paycheck, the economic fallout from this virus, has already been devastating. And now the federal moratorium on evictions is going to expire at the end of this month. Here in LA, UCLA says without protection, an unprecedented number of Angelenos are at risk of losing their homes. And just last week, we saw firsthand what mass evictions could actually look like when we watched the LA Sheriff's Department carry out pre-COVID evictions that were ordered by a judge.
It's really important to seek legal assistance as soon as possible so that you can have a qualified attorney.
It really is about survival to keep a family safe and housed. So it really made it feel like there is just not another type of work that I'd rather be doing during this pandemic, except doing it in solidarity with so many great organizations like Public Counsel and all of our partners with Eastside Leads.
Everyone deserves to have someone standing by their side, helping them through a difficult situation. And that's what I have seen, and I've been so proud of our lawyers and our paralegals and our paraprofessionals doing for the clients.
We've saved lives because we have ensured that people could not be evicted, and therefore they were able to stay in their homes, stay safe, and keep their families safe.